Atake pa yung watig yung background. Orange. Orange si Philippines. Oh my God. Let's go, Emma. Emma Fonda. Ay, si Eva pala yun. Oh my God. Orange siya. Hala, orange. Orange siya. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Ay, ay ganon.
Make some noise!
Tumulong tayo, ma. Parang hindi mo kasabing camera.
Starting off, top 5 MGI 2025 is Miss Grand Ghana!
Ang lakas nga yan. Ang ganda ni check photos ni Philippines. Oh.
Iba talaga siya mag-fierce.
Next up,
Perfect.
into the top 5, congratulations to Miss Grand Venezuela!
Hala!
Ilan ang pipiliin dyan?
5.
3 na lang.
Merry Christmas. Eddie Wong.
And third lady into the top 5 is Miss Grand Thailand!
Hala!
Ano yun?
Nakabotox talaga siya.
Yung isa niyang mata, oh.
Ang pangit na naman.
And full contestant into our top 5 is Miss
Philippines.
Grand Spain!
Hala! Ilalaglag nga si Philippines.
Philippines daw nanalo sa 2020.
Si Czech Republic,
And
ano pa oh.
the final contestant into our top 5 MGI
Matutulog na ako
2025
pag
is
wala si Philippines.
Miss Grand Philippines!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ba't ka umiyak? Philippines! Philippines! Oh my God! Nasa gitna siya! Orange yung background! Orange siya!
Kaya siguro yun ulit.
Wow! Siguro! Tara! Oh my God!
Thank you.
Kita ka ba,
Miss
ma?
Grand Philippines.
That's the Philippines.
Hindi natin makita paano siya bumaba.
Emma, let's do this.
As someone who wants this kind of stories, I really want to use the power of balance, ask people to be educated and aware, for us to not be scammed, and the help of the government to enhance their justice system for the scammers to be behind bars, to be accountable. Because one day, I hope that we will live in a peaceful world where no one should deceive just to survive.
Thank you.
Kinabahan
These
siya.
are the answers from our top 5
Shucks.
finalists.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Right after this break.
Ayun na. Announcement ulit.
Ito rin ano eh.
Announcement na.
Ha?
Ayun na.
Ang bilis naman.
Partner up siya. Ganon sila eh.
Yun na yun.
Ito rin ang
The
question ang
third
Tapos
runner-up
na.
is Miss Grand Ghana.
Pero ang bilis.
Si Ghana. Fuck, sino yung...
Pagkalagay, photo on, tapos exit. Alam?
The second runner-up is Miss Grand Spain.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Philippines and Thailand!
Okay, Philippines ito din may butok.
Oh my God!
Ay, may butok. Philippines.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Ay,
oh my God.
Philippines yan.
Ano mas magandang sagot sa kanilang dalawa?
Si
Ladies and
Philippines.
men on this stage,
Wala mo nang bibili.
will be Miss Grand International 2025.
Orange!
Hindi Philippines yan.
Favorite queen, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.
Thailand. Sana
Orange
Philippines.
oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand International 2025 is Miss Grand Philippines!
Oh my God! Back to back! Back to back! Back to back! Oh my God! Oh my God! Woo!
Ganda niya. Ayun na sila. Kamusta sila ng
Oh
corona?
my
Philippines
God!
na Philippines.
Back to back! Oh my God! What the fuck?
Philippines! Nakakaano naman yung ano natin.
What? Everyone!
Nakaslat yan.
Orange kasi nung background, di ba?
Yes!
Nice one, bro!
Buti nag-orange siya.
Ang galing!
Taking home the crown.
Grabe.
Philippines. That of course means that their first runner-up is Miss Grand Thailand.
Galing! Galing! Fuck! Ang ganda ni Emma, putang ina! Ah! Guys, mamamalain ka na kami. Ay, ba't naman po nakakasama na?